What's up, YouTube? We are back again with another lit video. All right, so look, listen, you guys peep. You know what I'm saying? You already know what's going on. You know what's going on. So look, with just a week away from the Ps5 release, and the Ps5 controller has already come through all the households and all that kind of stuff. And a lot of you guys already know are PC gamers. So the purpose of this video, if you have not already read the title, I'm gonna show you guys how you can connect, because I already know you guys, I know you guys know how to connect your PS5 controller to the PC. You know, that's easy. But what you might not be able to do, like I know for a lot of people, like, because I can't find this cord anywhere, it's sold out everywhere. But if you want to be able to use Bluetooth and actually still be able to play without the DS4 windows and DS5 windows or whatever, this is the solution right here. You want to go ahead and hit the PlayStation button with the share button right over here. You guys get what I'm saying? Like, it's the one with the little shiny icons on it. Sorry if you guys can't see it. So you want to just be able to hold that until it is flashing. Once it's flashing, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and go straight into devices. Once you go into devices, as you guys can see, mine is already paired. You want to go up here to add Bluetooth or other device. Go here to Bluetooth, and then your Bluetooth device will show up. You want to go ahead and go right into Steam, the Steam client. You want to go ahead and go over here to view settings. Make sure you guys see that, because that is very important for this process. You go down and you go to big picture mode right here. Okay, guys, look. It's gonna do this whole Steam get up thing. It's gonna look pretty smooth, pretty sexy, whatever. You guys see my big old face right there. And then what you want to do is you want to come over here to settings. All right, make sure you go to settings. You go here and you go to the controller settings. All right, make sure that this, whatever it's like on, it might be Xbox configuration, whatever. You want to make sure that you go ahead and go and hit this right here. So you have these two clicked right here. You have the guide button, focuses, Steam, yada, and then the PlayStation configuration support. So you can set up your shutdown time, whatever. But what you want to do is, you want to go ahead and click it. And then, okay, let's see what we can do. Let's see. For you guys, what you want to do is, see, because I had already clicked into it. But you want to go ahead and calibrate. Like, look, you can see it already works. Yada. This is like the aforementioned. Like, this is after everything. This is after everything's already done. You hit OK, and I believe it's defined layout. Yeah, it should be defined layout for you guys still. And what you want to do is, like, you'll see over there it has the mapping. So for your primary action, you see the greens over there. You want to go ahead and click that. You see this one to go back. Edit controls, saving without control. But you guys get what I'm saying. Like, mine is already mapped, so it's gonna be going into some conflicts right now to map it. It's a little wonky right now, but it does indeed work perfectly, trust me. So you want to exit without saving changes. So yeah, I'm exiting. But what you guys want to do is go ahead and go through that whole mapping process. Once you're done with the mapping process, it will work 100% guaranteed. And just to show that this works 100% guaranteed, like, look, you know what I'm saying? Like, you get a whole user interface and everything. It's actually pretty cool. It's not gonna be as cool as the PS5, of course, but it is actually pretty cool. So let's see, let's go on to our library and let's see what games I can play. I'm gonna go ahead and play, let's see, we could do 2K21. Oh yeah, by the way, it'll show you down there what supports what. So, like, of course, Wizard 101, if you're still playing that in 2020, like I am. It will show you that that's keyboard, this is keyboard, Valorant's keyboard, unfortunately. Wallpaper Engine keyboard, Phasmophobia is controller. It shows you, it tells you everything that works with controller and without controller. Now when it comes to Ghost Runner is a little weird on controller, but I'm gonna try it out again. But for now, let's go ahead and try Fighters. So I'm gonna go ahead and launch the game right now. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this down just a little bit. Okay, so it shows you download. It's gonna tell you, oh, okay, everything's configured. Yada yada. Look at this. Boom, works. Boom, 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 boom. And just to show you that it works, I'm gonna go ahead and go straight into a game. Everything works perfectly. You guys are gonna end up seeing my sorry combos, but it's okay. Okay, so look, as you guys can see, it's already working. Everything's working perfectly, just like I said. All right, so let's go ahead and enter a ranked match. I'm gonna go ahead and use one of my teams right here. Look, and just so you guys don't think I'm like fooling with you, look, it's all working, okay? It's all working. Look at my boy dance, you get what I'm saying? You get what I'm saying? The only thing that's actually a little bit unfortunate right now when it comes to being able to play your controller with your PC or whatever is the fact that it actually does not have a vibration function. It's sure to be something that will be updated for the future, but for right now, that's just the way it is. All the buttons work, is just that you won't be able to feel the vibration, you won't be able to feel the haptic feedback, whatever. So it seems like, for whatever reason is, I get a PS5 controller and they want to put me up against the strongest people in the game. But you're gonna see at least, hey, look, you'll be able to see at least some cool combos. You won't be seeing them coming from me, but you'll be seeing them. Of course, he's already off to this. Okay. That was on me, I shouldn't have rushed. Yeah, he ate that. I'm not really paying attention like that. I'm more just trying to show you guys that the controller works. That's the line I'm trying to tell y'all. But whatever, it's all good. Everything works. Everything works perfectly. You just can't feel the vibration function. Man, he telegraphed that. I promise, I'm actually a lot better than this. I'm just, you know. Big yikes. Big yikes. Big yikes. Golly, was it that serious? I don't think it was that serious, my dude. It wasn't that serious. Oh my god, I could have sworn I hit him.
There's no escape. Alright, nowhere else to go. You really made a mess of things.
I was guarding down low, what the heck?
Ready for this?
But, I mean, look, even though I took the L, you guys understand the process. Alright, so what we're going to do is next, we're going to go ahead and jump into 2K21. Just to make sure that the controller works. Let's go ahead, I got to go with my boy. Just to show you that this works. All the buttons are going to end up showing up as Xbox controllers. You guys already know why, but we're going to leave that alone for now. And just to show you guys, everything is working just as planned. I didn't get the tip off, but it's all good. Everything's working. How is that a foul? I didn't even like do anything yet, my guy. I just stood in front of him. But yeah, so you guys ended up getting the idea. You guys already know everything's working perfectly. Everything's working as good as it could be working. The only thing that you're not going to be experiencing is the vibration function, which is okay. You know, that's just how it is. But we got to wait one more week until that PS5 drops, and then everything's going to be smooth sailings. Now, when it comes to Epic Games and Fortnite and stuff like that, it has worked for me. I don't know if it'll work for you, but it has worked for me. I just know that this one right here is a surefire way for your games to be working. But without further ado, guys, if you guys enjoyed the video, if you need any more videos letting me explain anything else, just leave a comment. If you didn't like the video, leave a dislike. You know, something slight, you know what I'm saying? But without further ado, guys, peace, and I hope you guys have a great day.